Samira Fabrics Pvt Ltd is a vertically integrated composite textile unit with an objective of penetrating the textile export market. Samira Fabrics owns and operates a fully automated spinning plant through its sister concern Samira Industries Pvt Ltd. In this department, cotton bales are opened into much smaller tufts and contamination are removed from it. There are different stages of cotton opening through different machines. Carding is a mechanical process that cleans and intermixes fibers to produce a continuous web or sliver suitable for subsequent processing. This is achieved by passing the fibers between differentially moving surfaces covered with card clothing. It breaks up blocks and unorganized clumps of fiber and then aligns the individual fibers to be parallel with each other. In this department, the fibers are straightened to improve the evenness of the sliver. The objective of draw frame is to make sliver with maximum possible evenness. After drawing, the yarn sliver is transported in cans onto automated rotor spinning machines from Rifa. We have 3 machines of 540 rotors each. Total rotors are 1,620. Each machine is equipped with Uster MC200 from Switzerland, whereby each rotor is monitored for quality, efficiency, and contamination control. We can spin 2 different counts on each machine, and these machines are also very friendly for use of different fibers including recycled materials. The yarn is produced for the domestic industry, in-house consumption and export to the China, European Union and Far East. The count ranges from 7 na till 40 na, and currently we have a nameplate capacity of 500 tons of yarn production per month. At Samira, a well-equipped and up-to-date laboratory is always busy to testify and ensure the quality of ongoing processes.
Alhamdulillah, we set up a fully automated open-end rotor spinning plant in 2022 under the TURF program by the State Bank of Pakistan. This was introduced to encourage industrial growth in Pakistan after COVID. We have installed 620 rotors and we are producing 200 metric tons of yarn per month. We had 3 major objectives when we put up this plant. The number 1 objective was quality. We wanted to source the best material to be able to produce excellent quality of yarn for our end products. Number 2 was price stability. We wanted to be able to hedge our cotton going forward so we could maintain prices for our customers for the long run. And number 3, and most importantly, was sustainability. Sustainability in our company starts from the materials. We ensure we are ethically sourcing our materials. All of our cotton comes from the US, which is grown under the Better Cotton Initiative. Not only is it giving us excellent quality results with very low contamination, but it is grown with very low water consumption. We have taken the initiative to install solar power in our company. At least 30% of our electricity is now generated through solar electricity, which is helping us reduce our carbon emission footprint. And lastly, we are promoting an intensive plantation drive, and we have just completed 1 orange tree orchard right within our mills.
Samira is proud of its comprehensive certifications base, which has been possible through the efforts of a dedicated and highly experienced health and safety and compliance team based in the production facility. Samira Industries is active member of the esteemed body, APTMA.